Look up at the night sky and you'll see stars. But just above us is chaos. Low Earth orbit, LEO, isn't just filled with satellites. It's crowded with trash. Thousands of dead satellites, spent rocket stages, even flecks of paint, all hurtling at 28,000 kilometers per hour. This is space junk, and it's becoming a massive problem. Right now, there are over 30,000 tracked pieces of debris, larger than a softball in Earth's orbit. But that's just the beginning. There are likely millions of smaller fragments, too tiny to track, but big enough to cause catastrophic damage. Each one is a bullet, a collision waiting to happen, and in space there are no speed limits. Even a 1-centimeter fragment can destroy a functioning satellite or cripple a spacecraft. So how did it get this bad? Since the dawn of the space race, we've been launching rockets, but not cleaning up after ourselves. Rocket boosters, mission leftovers, satellites that have died, they stay up there, circling endlessly. And every collision makes more debris. This chain reaction is called the Kessler syndrome. If left unchecked, it could make space travel impossible for generations. Imagine our future satellites, space stations, or even trips to Mars, all threatened by floating trash. Nations and companies are scrambling to find solutions, from harpoons and nets to magnetic collectors and laser pushes. But time is running out. We rely on space more than ever: GPS, weather forecasting, communication. If we lose access to low Earth orbit, we lose far more than satellites. So here's the big question. Can we clean up the mess we've made? Or have we already doomed our access to the stars? What do you think? Are we on the verge of a space junk apocalypse?